So I'm really excited to announce to you that we have now added summary videos on key topics for public sector accounting and finance as well on our portal. Now, one of the things we know is that you are very busy, but we understand also that the busyness does not mean you will not upgrade yourself, be able to put yourself in the position to become a chartered accountant and take your life to the next level. It is for this reason why we have decided to break down our courses into the key topical issues to help you to be able to cover the syllabus in record time, expose yourself to questions, and put yourself in the position to be able to pass the examination. And so in line with that, we have added summary videos on key topics also for public sector accounting and finance. What it means is that whatever subject that you want to enroll in, you're going to get access to summary videos on key topics. So you're doing financial reporting or corporate reporting, there are summary videos on all of the accounting standards, on consolidated financial statements, and various other issues that you need to understand. Advanced audit and assurance, we have summary videos on the key perspectives, the structure of the questions, and the various things that you have to focus on to increase the chances of passing the examination. Maybe you are writing public sector accounting and finance. We have summary videos on key public sector accounting and finance topical issues that you need to understand, which will position you to increase your chances of passing the examination. Strategic case study. We have summary videos on all of the key models that you need to understand, and most importantly, how you have to fish them out, how you're supposed to present them in, how you're supposed to present them, how you are supposed to identify them in a case study to put yourself in the position to pass the examination. Listen, our registration is ongoing. You can enroll and start studying with us, and let us assist you so you can pass your examination. I understand you are very busy. You don't have time to watch 3-hour videos. You just want to go straight to the point, understand the principles, expose yourself to questions, and put yourself in the position so you can pass the examination. So head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, and enroll in our course today. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application, and you'll be able to complete your enrollment and start studying today to join our community. Listen, we understand what it takes to make this journey a fruitful one. And it doesn't have to be difficult. You don't have to sit for a paper 2 times. You don't have to sit for a paper 3 times. You don't have to take a longer time to become a chartered accountant. If only you follow the guidelines, you follow the blueprints that you'll be given, definitely you can put yourself in the position to be able to pass the examination. So enroll today, and I'll see you in the back as we assist you to prepare for the examination and most importantly, pass the exam.